Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Apple Pay is active on your device and that the card is verified. This enables instant payments. Next, sign into your PSN account on the console or web store because payment methods must be tied to an authenticated session. Make sure the device and PlayStation regions support Apple Pay. Regions and merchant settings determine availability. Once those essentials are set, proceed to the PlayStation Store to choose the game or wallet top-up you want to purchase. After selecting the item or wallet top-up, go to checkout and explicitly choose Apple Pay as your payment option. PlayStation will route you to the Apple Pay sheet. Review the card and billing details presented. This prevents accidental charges to the wrong card. Then authorize the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode so the PlayStation Store receives a verified payment token. Once authorized, the store completes the purchase and links the transaction to your PSN order. Finally, confirm the purchase by checking your PSN transaction history and wallet balance. Receipts should appear in both Apple Wallet and your PlayStation email. If Apple Pay does not appear as an option, make sure Wallet is enabled, your iOS and PlayStation regions match, and your card supports digital gaming purchases. If a payment fails, retry after restarting devices, and if issues persist, gather the transaction ID and contact Apple or PlayStation support so they can reconcile the tokenized payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.